Hello, savvy individuals. Today we're diving into the top 5 modern budgeting methods for a digital age. 1. Online budgeting apps and software. These tools sync with your bank accounts, categorize your expenses, and provide real-time financial insights. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket. 2. Digital envelope budgeting. It's the traditional method, but in a digital format, allowing you to allocate money to specific spending categories. Keep tabs on your spending effortlessly and never overspend again. 3. Your bank's mobile app. It categorizes your transactions, tracks your spending, and even lets you transfer money between accounts with a few taps. No more missed bills or unexpected surprises. 4. Automated transfers and bill pay. Set up automatic transfers to savings or investments and schedule bill payments, ensuring you pay yourself first and avoid late fees. And 5. Cashless payments and digital wallets. Use Apple Pay, Google Pay, or your bank's app to track your expenses and make purchases effortlessly. There you have it, the top 5 modern budgeting methods to take charge of your finances in today's digital age. Remember, budgeting isn't just about saving money, it's about reaching your financial goals. Give us a thumbs up if you found these tips helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial advice and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.